After Phil Spencer and Sarah Bond retire from Microsoft Gaming, the new head of Xbox, Asha Sharma, has officially unveiled a new console in development. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. Asha Sharma took to X to announce Project Helix, codename of the Xbox's next console, which will probably be the successor to the Xbox Series XS. In a post on X, Sharma stated that the console was the return of Xbox after the current Xbox crisis had left many fans feeling worried about Xbox's future. The post read, "Great start to the morning with Team Xbox, where we talked about our commitment to the return of Xbox, including Project Helix, the codename for our next generation console. But it's not the announcement that's drawing interest." Sharma claims that Project Helix will be able to play PC games. Right now, there aren't any more details available about Project Helix. However, as it currently stands in the industry, virtually every Xbox title is also available on PC, either via Steam, Epic Games Store, or another online video game library and launcher. That also includes Day 1 Xbox Game Pass games being available on PC and Xbox Series XS. Hard to know exactly what Sharma means by her wording. In Sharma's X post replies, some fans are speculating that it could be the return of console-only titles for Xbox when Project Helix releases. Other fans are questioning the potential price of the new console if it can also play and run PC games with better performance than a typical gaming console. We know Xbox needs a change in strategy for its future console, and an attempt to combine PC and Xbox audiences might be the game changer that Xbox desperately needs right now. But just remember, the Project Helix has not announced release dates up till now. For more tech and gaming updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.